अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय.
Greetings to one and all. A bright and beautiful day to everybody present. Today it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Ramayana presentation by the UKG of our school. It has been a tradition for many years to present the Ramayana during this festive season when there is festivity all around. It is always presented in the school auditorium, but due to the pandemic, we have just shifted the venue to online and we have modified it and changed it to a virtual mode because DAV certainly believes that the show must go on. Ramayana is presented by UKG because from a very young age, we want to incorporate all the values that this great epic stands for, whether it is valor, courage, integrity, respect for elders, and of course, mostly the fact that the children learn that good is always victorious over evil. I would also like to share with our parents that the epic has been poeticized by our very own teachers of the kindergarten and scripted their own way and has been interspersed with various songs and dances, which is going to keep you engrossed. So let's sit back and enjoy these tiny tots, these little angels, these blossoming buds of our school as they present the Ramayana.
The story of Lord Rama. He was the king of all kings. It is his glory today I will sing. He was the great Surya dynasty's son, valor, virtues, and blazing like the sun. The story begins in Ayodhya when King Dashrath was on the throne. He was bestowed with all the glories, but yet he felt all alone. O noble and great Vizier says, I am very disturbed. Who will take care of my kingdom after my death? Will I ever see the joy of my children? Yes, you will. For this, you have to perform a yajna and please the God in heaven.
ठुमक 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 चले राम लल्ला पग पैंजनिया बाजे रे पग पैंजनिया बाजे रे सुंदर बाल रूप अति सोहे सहज ही त्रिभुवन को मन मोहे सुंदर बाल रूप अति सोहे सहज ही त्रिभुवन को मन मोहे शेष सहस मुख बरन सके ना चंदा सूरज लाजे पग पैंजनिया बाजे रे पग पैंजनिया बाजे रे ठुमक 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 चले राम लल्ला पग पैंजनिया बाजे रे पग पैंजनिया बाजे रे
As they grew older, they were given the best of education under the guidance of Rishi Vashisht. He worked towards their physical, mental, and spiritual growth. Now that they had grown into fine young princes, sage Vishwamitra took them to the forest to kill demons who were disrupting the fire sacrifices.
The might of Lord Ram. My brother is the most powerful man in the world. Now it is your turn to try your might, Ram.
कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणं श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणं
As a Dashrath grew old, he decided to give throne to Ram, who in Chaudhary king had grown the whole kingdom rejoiced, began to dance and sing. But something else was destined for the royal king. I cannot wait for Ram's coronation today. Mantra, why you don't look nobody go to the forest for 14 years. Lakshmana and Sita all joined Ram in the exile. Dashrath soon died of grief and pain. When Bharat returned home and heard the whole story, he was full of anger and fury. He refused to sit on the throne and went to the forest to bring his brother back home. Give me my dearest brother. All this happened while I was away. Father could not bear your separation, and he is no more. Please come back, my dearest brother. I cannot come back because if I do so, I will fail to fulfill the wish of my father. Please give me your wooden sandals. I will keep them on the throne till you return.
Years passed. The noble souls traveled through forests and finally built a hut in Panchvati.
How handsome you are! You look like a royal prince. Will you marry me? I am already married. Your brother is already married, but you can certainly marry me. No! I have a wife back home. Both of you have rejected me. How dare you! I will kill your wife. Don't touch her! Who has done this to you, dear sister? Lakshman has disfigured me. How dare he! Now I will teach them a lesson. I will kidnap Sita.
Ravana instructed Marich to disguise himself as a golden deer and catch Sita's attention.
Wow! Look at that beautiful deer. I want that deer. But it is not natural for a deer to be of dark color. It seems to be an illusion. But I want it. It is very pretty. Can you please bring it for me, my lord? But I want it. It is very pretty. Can you please bring it for me, my lord? Fine, Sita, as you wish. But Lakshman, you should stay here and guard Sita. I will take care of her. You don't worry.
Help!
Oh, Lakshman,
Help!
do you hear that?
Help!
I think your brother is in trouble and needs your help. Don't worry. No one in this world has the power to defeat my brother Ram. I can't leave you and go. It's my command, Lakshman. Immediately go and help your brother. I will do as you say. But before I leave, I will draw Lakshman Rekha. Promise me you will not cross this line. Bhiksham Dehi, Bhiksham Dehi, Bhiksham Dehi, Bhiksham Dehi. Can you please come out and give it to me? Help! Help!
Full of agony and pain, Ram and Lakshman went out in search of Sita. On the way, they met Hanuman and Sugriv. Hanuman took Ram's ring and went in search of Sita.
से बचा लीजिए मेरे स्वामी।
जननी मैं रामदूत हनुमान, जननी मैं रामदूत हनुमान। चरण कमल में शत शत वंदन, कर दो माँ कल्याण। मिला है अवसर आज महान, जननी मैं रामदूत हनुमान। सत्य वचन कहता माँ सीता, हर पल प्रभु को तुम्हारी चिंता। अश्रु नयन से झरत निरंतर, व्याकुल है श्री राम। जननी मैं रामदूत हनुमान, जननी मैं रामदूत हनुमान।
After Hanuman returned from Ashok Vatika, Ram and Lakshman decided to cross the ocean to kill Ravana and bring back Sita. They took the help of Sugriv's Vanar Sena.
रामायण की जैया हो, There was a fierce battle between the two sides. While fighting valiantly, Lakshman was badly wounded by Ravana's son Indrajit. Hanuman brought the Sanjeevani booty and helped to save his life.
ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती बुलो उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती बुलो उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा रंजन पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती बुलो उजागर जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सती बुलो उजागर।
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
Finally, Ram defeated Ravan in the battle.
The victory of Ram over Ravan is the victory of good over evil. When Ram returned to Ayodhya, he was crowned king and the whole universe rejoiced.
Rama ho Rama re हमसे उबारे है राम ये तेरा काम। जीना क्या उसका जीना जो लेता कभी ना सियावर राम का नाम। दिल खोलो ये मिल के बोलो ये सारे बोलो सीताराम। जय जय राम सीताराम जय जय राम सीताराम जय राम सीताराम जय राम सीताराम जय राम राम जय राम
बाहु सुदशरथ अजर बिहारी। राम सिया राम सिया राम